Boiled Brussels sprouts? No thanks. But caramelized Brussels sprouts? Absolutely. For the prep, you can choose the F and Sharp utility knife or the F and Sharp paring knife. Either are great for this job. Start by slicing off the end or the root end of each sprout and then right in half. As you'll see, naturally some of the outer leaves fall off, and this is A-OK. You can save those and make some crispy Brussels sprout chips if you'd like. Next up is fresh garlic. Use as many or as little cloves as you'd like. I have 3 cloves here, just taking off that little root end and then slicing thinly. When you get to the other end of the clove, just place cut side down and slice again thinly. To prepare your lemon, first roll it. This will break apart the membranes and make it nice and extra juicy. From one end, slice about 1 inch to 1.5 inches down, and you can use the tip of your paring knife to just go ahead and press out those seeds. With a pan over medium-high heat, I'm going down with some olive oil, and then cut side down, that flat side of the Brussels sprouts. Just go ahead and start with the outer edge and fill up your pan. You're going to leave those undisturbed. A little bit of salt and pepper, and then go ahead and add olive oil as needed. You can brown it as brown as you'd like. For me, I like them to be extra caramelized. It gives them a nutty flavor. After you stir them up, make sure that they're all even. Distribute some garlic in there, squeeze that fresh lemon juice, add a little bit more of that olive oil if you need, and let them go undisturbed for a bit, and then stir to combine. Finish with fresh Asiago or Parmesan cheese, and your meal is complete. Visit fnsharp.com for this and more.